Want to know how to set a goal for an AI agent in AgentGPT? So creating an agent in AgentGPT is super simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just simply, easily add goals or write code to your agent properly so that you can get a proper agent. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your evoke.agentgpt.ai and you should be right here on this interface. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. Right here you should be seeing, by default you should be on the home and you should be seeing your name and your goal. So what you need to do is, since we're adding the goal, make sure you add any name right here. So you can just simply add a goal. So what is your topic? So if my topic is creating a proper agent that handles studies, I can just simply type in this. So you can just simply type enter or select play right here and it should start doing your work, and it would work according to your code. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.